The current railway station was initially named Hengoed and Meisequimna when opened by the Rhymney Railway in 1858. Then, on the railway grouping into the Great Western Railway of 1923, it became known as Hengoed Low Level to avoid confusion. Immediately adjacent and crossing Hengoed Low Level was another station which originally shared the name Hengoed and Meisequimna, serving the Taff Wells extension from Pontypool to Quaker's Yard and ultimately onwards to Neath. This station was renamed in 1923 to Hengoed High Level. The High Level station was immediately at the end of the Hengoed Viaduct, which carried the line across the Rhymney Valley and to Meisequimna, but it was closed in June of 1964. The line is now disused, but the viaduct was restored and is now part of the National Cycle Network, and some of the platform's remains have also been preserved. So we'll get started here at Hengoed with 115-230, working the 1253 Transport for Welsh service and Penarth to Rhymney. Next train to depart from the station is 231002, working the 1308 Transport for Welsh service from Hengoed to Penarth. After absolutely caning it from Tesco and climbing about several peaks, it's the departure of 231008, working the 1339 Transport for Welsh service and Penarth to Hengoed. Thankfully, we get our breath back for the arrival of 150-230, working the 1352 Transport for Welsh service from Rhymney to Penarth. And here comes our train in the form of 231006, working the 1353 Transport for Welsh service in Penarth to Rhymney. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the two videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.